Bonjour, mes amis. Hey, it's November, and out here in Ohio, it's already gotten into the 30s, and up north of us, there's already been snow. So I am out here planting. I ordered 17 daylilies. Now, I love daylilies because when all the bulbs and spring flowers die, or stop blooming, I should say, daylilies really bring on the summer show. And they're so fun. They come in so many different colors, shapes, sizes, just incredible. And I really love their names. So there's like Amberstone, Amethyst, Pink Puff. There's someone probably named after someone named Aaron Lee. Blueberry Candy. So sometimes the names sound so delicious that you want to eat them. Such as this one over here. This one is called Pizza Crust. So that one is going to have really pretty edges along each petal. But there's Apricot Sparkles, Ruffled Pastel Cheers, Chicago Arnie's Choice, Raindrop, Grape Magic, so that will of course be a purple. So anyway, I'm out here and I'm going to plant these 17 daylilies, and I mean some of these roots are just incredible. Look at how hefty those are. So I'm really excited to see these next year. Again, really nice roots there. They also sent a free plant, which this is a Golden Anniversary Dead Nettle. So it's a lamium, so I guess it flowers all summer. So that's nice of them. I'm not sure if it was something that I would choose, but hey, it was free. And we'll see what we do with it. Okay, you guys have a blessed day, and I'm gonna get busy.